Welcome to this strategic guide on AI-powered stock analysis, designed for senior executives and modern investors. We will explore how mastering artificial intelligence can enhance your decision-making in the financial world. We are entering a new era of investing, transitioning from manual research to intelligent insights. AI is revolutionizing how we approach market analysis. Why adopt AI analysis today? It offers unmatched speed, processing thousands of pages of reports and news in under a minute. It also ensures objective decision-making, providing a disciplined, emotional buffer against panic selling. In fundamental analysis, large language models act as skilled research assistants. They excel at transcript analysis, report summarization, and instant competitor benchmarking. AI also excels in technical analysis and forecasting. It can identify complex patterns in price data that the human eye might miss, helping to model future trends. Sentiment analysis uses multiple sources, including global financial news, market reports, regulatory filings, and web data. AI reads these simultaneously to score the market mood from bearish to bullish. The three pillars of AI analysis are discovery, synthesis, and protection. This includes finding hidden stocks, connecting global events to local impacts, and providing real-time alerts on volatility. Selecting the right tools involves understanding the different types of AI. Generative AI is great for in-depth research, specialized AI for pattern recognition, and sentiment trackers for measuring real-time market enthusiasm. The efficiency impact is significant. AI enables 10 times faster analysis. By delegating data gathering, investors can focus 100% of their time on strategy and high-level decision-making. Crucial guardrails for success include verifying AI outputs, retaining the human element for context, prioritizing privacy, and continuous learning to stay updated with evolving tools. Our 4-week adoption plan starts with exploring AI tools, moving to analyzing reports in week 2, testing trades through paper trading in week 3, and fully integrating AI for daily filtering and monitoring in week 4.